Good morning and welcome. It's a leaked conversation between two Karnataka Congress veterans over Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and that is today's big news report because this has caused acute embarrassment for the party. Take a look at that visual on your screen. Former Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and the Pradesh Congress Chief of Karnataka D.K. Shivkumar caught on camera debating whether, listen to this, should they display a photograph of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on his birth anniversary. They were both at an event for Indira Gandhi's death anniversary. Siddaramaiah is heard referring to Indira Gandhi's photograph on display and asking Shivkumar why the Congress has not displayed Patel's photograph, to which then there is a reaction coming in that the Congress does not usually, as D.K. Shivkumar says, of Sardar Patel. Right, I'm now joined by D.K. Shivkumar on the phone line. What exactly happened, Mr. Shivkumar? Because this looks like a massive loss of face for the party in Karnataka, where there have already been rumblings taking place. What you tell us, what exactly happened?
See, we respect all our Congress former presidents. We know we used to make a separate event. Indira Gandhi death anniversary is described as a different event. And Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel also as a different event. Death and birth anniversary doing at the same times has a lot of different dimensions. So everything was set aside. Their photographs, both the set of photographs was ready. We didn't want it to mix a death and a birth, this one. Because discussion on the contribution of Indira Gandhi at the national level and the party cadres is different. Discussion of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is different. Then a suggestion came that we will do a single event because leaders have to come at a different point of time. Morning, Indira Gandhi's, all of them in the government level also they take pledge. BJP is trying to comment on that. Let BJP show in their office. They never respect Indira Gandhi. They never put their photograph. They never do anything with Indira Gandhi or even Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. We Congress Party, we have a tradition. We have from the more than 40-50 years. We have this one. What photos at which, how many functions to be conducted.
But Mr. Shivkumar, all of this that you're telling us, because eventually Patel's photograph was brought in, does this confusion and clarity has to come in at the event? And while there are cameras rolling, there are microphones on, you know this happened just a few weeks ago as well, when you only were being discussed by some other members of the party. Why couldn't this be discussed earlier? And to have a Patel photograph come in later clearly is giving political opportunity to others.
Should we have a single event or a different? Was our discussion? What's wrong in it? There is nothing wrong in it. Even if cameras are there, if we open, we speak, it is a part of the public distribution. We are in public domain. You please ask BJP people to show what they have done on 31st of October on the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel program, on the birth anniversary and the death anniversary of Indira Gandhi. They never respect any leaders. They just only comment. They want a public news and they're just trying to high comment. We at least bother about whatever they tell.
Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, yes.
We respect our leaders. We respect the country who has given their lives. We respect our leaders, the Congress presidents of this country. And we have done it. That's all.
So I'm sure you're aware that for Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, that has been a political issue. Bharatiya Janata Party and the government has managed to make this huge Patel statue, while also adding that the Congress has consistently ignored Patel. So what happened here, and that is why the BJP is jumping in. That, you have Indira Gandhi, you don't have Patel.
If we had ignored Patel, why would we have kept the photo ready there? That is a different program we normally do it. Because he is our Congress president and Iron Man, we respect him. BJP want to have done a statue, they want to take advantage, let them do. It is their right, we don't want. But we have to work with our conscience and our traditions.
So you are saying, Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, that it was not that the Congress party was ignoring the Iron Man of the country.
We don't want. It is BJP who is ignoring Indira Gandhi and Sardar Patel. They are ignoring Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Indira Gandhi.
Yes. So at this point, because clearly how it looks like, and because the visuals are also running, it shows that the Congress cannot decide with its top leaders. And Siddaramaiah and both of you are strong and top leaders of the Congress party. And when something like that happens, it is of course a clear opportunity for the BJP to come in, because BJP shows that only we remembered Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. We remembered him and made a statue of him, while the Congress party is forgotten. But why are you, if you can add us again, that this confusion came in the first place?
I want media friends to ask, what is your contribution in your party offices to Indira Gandhi and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? You please ask that, what they have. At least we remember, we discuss on things, we remember whatever the contribution they have made. They never do it. They never respect our national leaders.
Do you believe, Mr. Shiv Kumar, that at any point this may have been avoided, could have been avoided, should have been avoided by the Congress party, at least at this event?
We decided to make, whether to make it a different function or a one function, that's all.
All right, so whether they were two different functions or one, and that eventually was decided. So then why was it decided, sir, that the photograph of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel will be then brought on the dais with Indira Gandhi?
It was kept ready. We normally do a separate program. The discussion about Indira Gandhi is different, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is different, telling our cadre. Okay.
All right, DK Shiv Kumar there, the Pradesh Congress Committee President of Karnataka, stating that at this point that Patel was not ignored, that it was a separate event that was being planned, and that eventually they decided to have the event together because one was birth anniversary, one was death anniversary, and they were not sure if they wanted to club in. They're saying it is the Bharatiya Janata Party that ignores. Why do they not have a photograph there, but at least the Congress remembers? Now, remember, at this point, the BJP has quickly jumped in. They have made a huge statue of Patel, while the Congress, as they're claiming, could not even have a photograph. Malvika Avinash is currently with us. Malvika, what you saw, and DK Shiv Kumar is saying, what has the BJP done for Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel that they're attacking us? We were just discussing if we should not or have the photograph at this event. Usually we have two separate events for the same.
You see, the Congress party has had a tradition of celebrating, of eulogizing only members of one family, which is of Jawaharlal Nehru, his daughter and her son, and so on and so forth. So it's the Nehru-Gandhi family for them that make the nation. That's not so for the rest of India. The rest of India believes that several stalwarts fought for the freedom of this country, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, even post-independence, has rendered great contribution in terms of bringing together what exists as India today as Home Minister of this country. The Congress party does not want to name or celebrate or, they want to ensure that all other names are forgotten. So this is part of their tradition. Now, as an afterthought, Mr. D.K. Shivkumar is giving all these justifications. Perhaps they did not expect his and Siddaramaiah's, hush-hush conversation to be caught on camera like that, or to have been caught by some mic of the media. This came as an afterthought. One must also understand that Mr. Siddaramaiah is not from the Congress party. He comes from the Janata Parivar. He joined the Congress much later, which is why D.K. Shivkumar very clearly tells him. You can hear him saying that in Congress there's no tradition of keeping Sardar Patel's photograph. So this is what it is. This is who they are. They just
I think this shows within the Congress party at this point, because an incident like this hasn't really happened in the BJP. Do you think this is also about somewhere where they stand with regard to their big name
of the first war of independence
this day?
No, this cannot happen in BJP because we celebrate all heroes of the freedom struggle, both of the first war of independence and subsequently. So in BJP have these problems.
But Malvika, a question that was asked, Shiv Kumar.
Yes. Gandhi. That is Gandhi Parivar, not the Mahatma Gandhi. This, Rahul Gandhi and company, Sonia Gandhi and company, this is who they are looking at eulogizing.
No, but Malvika, Shiv Kumar had a question for you and your party, is that at what point that you keep asking the Congress party about their neta, so to say, were associated with the party, but why does BJP not show enough respect for former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi? Why are there pictures of Indira Gandhi not there in the BJP office, or even Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, so to say, in the BJP party office? Why are you only after Congress over these heroes and what they have to say about these photographs to be placed at an event?
This is conveniently taking the entire matter out of context. Is Mrs. Indira Gandhi some kind of a freedom fighter? Why should we keep her photograph in our offices? She's a former Prime Minister of India, and so have been several others. Why doesn't the Congress Party keep a photograph of Lal Bahadur Shastri? May I ask? He was also Prime Minister of India. So this is not about that. This is about freedom fighters. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is a freedom fighter first. Then he became Home Minister in the Nehru government, right? So the Congress has to get its context correct. Not blame the BJP. We built the Statue of Unity. What have they done for Sardar Patel? May I ask?
All right. So, of course, Malvika, Avinash pointing here what the BJP and the government basically has managed to pull in with regard to the Iron Man statue. And they are saying, we built a statue. You couldn't even decide if you had to put a photograph of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel or not. Now, thank you so much, Malvika, because I'm now being joined by JDS's Tanveer Ahmed. Remember, this has become a big controversy. Why was all of this caught on camera? Tanveer, how do you make of this? Because all of this could have been decided prior to the event, to have it being decided and have a conversation on camera, on the microphone. What do you think it really reflects at this point for the Congress party?
Congress is one party which gives everything in platter to BJP, and people like us who are really fighting BJP very hard on the ground have to really put a sorry figure. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is not a person or personality that you forget and just remember on the day of the event. And that too from a leader of a stature of D.K. Shivakumar and of the stature of Siddaramaiah, realizing so late that they have to really celebrate Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birthday. And second thing, what moral rights that Malvika Avinash do have to speak about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? It is the same Iron Man who had banned RSS. I think she has totally forgotten about it. They don't even know who are their leaders. Today they claim Bhagat Singh belongs to them. Bhagat Singh was a person who was purely communist ideology, socialist ideology, anti-BJP ideology. And today, conveniently, this all happens because of no planning, no understanding, no creativity in their ideas of Congress. But people, the regional parties have to really fight the demon of BJP. Then they have to really fight the foolishness of Congress as well. D.K. Shivakumar...
Point, Tanveer, here, because... Yes, obviously what happened on camera, which could have easily been discussed beforehand. And now the BJP has quickly jumped in stating, you know, we remembered Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. We have a massive statue of him remembering him, while his own party to which he was associated has forgotten him.
Absolutely. And having Indira Gandhi's photo in your office, Ms. Malvika Avinash, is not a bad idea, because she is the one who fought against Pakistan. She defeated Pakistan. She parted Pakistan into two, and she created Bangladesh. Here, it is not about personalities. What suits them better? What suits their political ideology? They have far forgotten their leaders. They have far forgotten the freedom fighters who have brought freedom to this country. It is nothing but total stupidity of Congress and the chameleon acts of BJP, where regional parties like us have to really fight both these demons.
So get this straight, because you belong to the JDS, which has a stronghold there in Karnataka. Do you think this is also about two netas, D.K. Shivakumar and Siddaramaiah, trying to also outshine each other? So one saying, why isn't there that photograph? We should put him. Another saying, that's not exactly a culture for this day. We can bring him if required. This is also about two netas coming across as who knows better for the party there in the state.
Madam, it is out and open that Congress is fighting 3 or 4 Congress within Congress. We all know that if at all D.K. Shivakumar has to really fight, it is not Kumaraswamy or Mr. Basuraj Bommai. He has to fight Mrs. Siddaramaiah. So we all know that, and it is no more a secret, well guarded. It is an open information to everybody walking on the street and internal Congress also. So we don't need to really, it is their internal matter, but it is out and open that D.K. Shivakumar's biggest rival is Siddaramaiah, and Siddaramaiah's biggest rival is D.K. Shivakumar. I don't think I need to really speak about their internal matters.
Yes.
But Sardar Patel was, is, and should be respected. irrespective of all the parties. Indira Gandhi was, is and should be respected irrespective of the parties for their contribution, not because of their political ideology.
JDS spokesperson Tanveer Ahmed, thank you so much for speaking to India Today. This has become a massive controversy. Just take a look at those visuals before we move on to other stories. There is Indira Gandhi's death anniversary that is being observed by the Karnataka Pradesh Congress. Siddaramaiah, DK Shivkumar, two top leaders of the party there. Suddenly a conversation follows and then Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's picture is also brought in. The conversation was the birth anniversary also of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and at some point, because the event was of the death anniversary, can the two photographs be brought in? That was the question raised by Siddaramaiah. Shivkumar said not really a single event. We do two separate events on that, but eventually the picture was brought in. Why couldn't this be decided prior? All of this happening on camera, conversation caught on the microphones for which the event was organized. And of course, the BJP jumping into it, calling that only they remember Patel, not the Congress.
ವಲ್ಲಭಾಯ್ ಪಟೇಲ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಜನ್ಮದಿನ ಸರ್. ಅದು ಇದು ದಿವಸ ಅದು ಜನ್ಮ ಎರಡು ಫೋಟೋ ಯಾವಾಗಿಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಇವತ್ತು ಇದೆ, ಇದು ದಿವಸ, ಅದು ಜನ್ಮದಿನ. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಫೋಟೋ ಇಡಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿ ಜೆ ಪಿಯವರು ದೇ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್. ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದೆವು ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಇಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಫೋಟೋ ಇಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.